In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change alignment in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, clear process, so even if you're newer to Figma, you'll be able to follow along easily and start adjusting text alignment in your designs with confidence. First, make sure you have your Figma file open and that you're on the canvas where your design lives. Look for the design you want to adjust. This could be a frame, a component, or just a text layer inside your layout. Once you see it, click on the design in the upper right area of your canvas or interface, depending on where that element is placed. The goal is to select the element that contains the text you want to change. If you're unsure whether you've selected it correctly, check that a bounding box appears around it and that it's highlighted in the Layers panel. Next, again, click on that design in the upper right area to really make sure it's the active selection. This may sound repetitive, but it matters in Figma because if another layer is selected or if nothing is selected, the text options you need won't show up in the right-hand panel. So take a second to confirm that your text or the frame containing your text is clearly selected before you move on. Once your design is selected, look over to the right-hand side of the Figma interface. This is where the Properties panel lives. In this panel, scroll or glance down until you find the section labeled Typography. This is where all of your text settings are grouped together. Here, you'll see options like font family, font size, line height, letter spacing, and more. The alignment controls are part of this typography section, so make sure you can see it clearly. If the panel looks collapsed, just click to expand it so all the text settings become visible. Now that you're in the typography section, you're ready to change the alignment. Look for the row of alignment icons, which usually include options for left align, center align, right align, and sometimes justified text, depending on your settings. Click on the alignment style you want to apply to your selected text. As soon as you click, you'll see your text update on the canvas. Try switching between different alignments to see what works best for your layout and hierarchy. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. You've successfully changed the alignment of your text in Figma.